What's going on YouTube? So today we're going to talk about how to get money in minutes. I'm going to go show you guys the app that I use to actually place trades online, and I can actually make my money for the day anywhere between 30 seconds up to a minute. It actually goes higher than that, but that's the window that I choose to trade from. So we're going to go ahead and get right in it.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
This is a app called, or the website called Pocket Options. You can use it on the computer or you can use it on the phone. And basically, this is what's called binary trading. So this is Forex, but basically you can make your money in a very small amount of time. So the concept is very simple. If you put in a buy, you want to make sure the price actually ends up higher than where it currently is. If you want to put in a sell, which is also called a put, you want to make sure a price is lower than where it currently is. And you can actually use any amount of money. This is my demo account, and you guys can actually use a demo account in practice. I'll go ahead and give you guys a demo link right below. So make sure you click that link and get yourself a demo account, and you can basically play with demo money. So let's just say if I wanted to make $100 off of the $5,000 I have in my demo account, you can actually make it direct in whatever duration of time you want to make it. So this flag right here, you can actually click this and change the time. So I can actually turn this down and put it in 30 seconds. So I'll go ahead and put in a sample trade for you guys just so you guys can see. So I'll just go ahead and put in a 30-second trade for 100 bucks. And you can click over here and look at the trades that are currently closed. These are the trades that I closed and actually won money on. And if I go right here, you see this timer right here, it shows you exactly what's happening with your trade. So if the trade closes above, then I'll go ahead and make that $100. And if it trades below that level, then I'll lose the $100. So it's a very simple app. There are different strategies that you can use to increase the probability of your trade. I just blindly took the trade so you guys can see it, but I just wanted to show you guys the format and show you how things work. So this is the main tab right here. Look at that. I think I actually got the trade. Hold on. Yep. So look, I got the trade. I won $150 in 30 seconds. So some people literally work for the whole day to make that amount of money. I just made it in 30 seconds, and that's dope that I actually cleared the trade. So you can see what a winning trade is like. So I can actually go to close right here, and you can see that I made $150 in my demo, and it's the same as the regular market. So if I would have did this in my live account, I would have made that real money. So I just want to go over the navigation for you guys. It's very simple. This is the timer. You can actually click right here and change the times, and you can put it up to like 15 to 20 minutes. But I personally like to trade on the 3-minute timer. This is another section where you can change the times as well. I prefer to keep it on lower time frames. This right here is where you change the dollar amount, and you can put any amount of money. So I have $5,099 in my demo account. You can put up to $5,099 and trade with that. Well, actually, let me see before I tell you guys. Let me see if I can put in 5,000. Well, it looks like the max is 2,000. Put in 3. Yeah, okay. So I stand corrected. The max is actually $2,000 per trade. The strike price is where current price is at. This is really not a major important area until you actually get into trading. And this is the call and the put, the buy and the sell. So if you feel like the market is going to go higher, you go ahead and click that button. If you feel like the market is going to be lower, go ahead and click that button. And this is the basic navigation. These are the candles, and I'm actually going to go ahead and turn this off. This is the basic candle setup. These are the candles showing you if the market is going to go up or down. And this is what we do to read the market. Down here is what's called an indicator. I use this to kind of judge where I feel like the market is going to go based off of my technical analysis. And this is something you guys will learn in future lessons. But I just want to go over the basics and let you guys know that this was available to you. So if you're working a job that you don't like, if you're looking for a new income, if you always wanted to get into investing, it's not as hard as people think. The first step is actually just downloading that app on your phone and using the link below, or you can just go on the website and practice. You can practice, and we also have a trading group that we have that you can actually sign up and actually get lessons from educators and get assistance and mentorship from me to actually join the team and learn with a group of people. That's what I decided to do. If that's something you want to do, you can actually click the link below as well, and I'll direct you in how to get signed up or how to get in contact with me to get more information. Or if you just want to practice on your own, feel free to download the app, go to the website, click the link, check everything out, go ahead and do some demo trades and get more comfortable with trading. So on the next lesson, I'm going to go over indicators, and that's this right here. And that's all of this crazy looking stuff. I know it might look like rocket science to you, but all of these things are used for me to gauge where the market is going and increase the probability of my trades. So that's it for now. This is Pocket Options. We got another lesson coming soon. And I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Mercer Millions.
Every single day